Hello, everyone. My name is Shonda Banks. I live here in Las Vegas, Nevada. The reason why I chose this course as my elective, um, purely on trying to expand my knowledge with working with children and family at risk. Don't have I have very little or limited experience with working directly with children. Just recently finished up my field placement at a women's and children's homeless shelter, and that really gave me the direct communication and experience working with children and families. So I hope that's the main reason why I took this course. What I expect to learn is how to better service this population of people, the many resources that's out there to help, um, you know, children and families at risk, as well as how to be a mediator as well as advocate for this population. Um, One thing I think my classmates should know in regards to how I feel about child abuse, of course, any type of abuse towards humans or anything like that is wrong. So I feel, very, especially towards children. Children usually don't have a voice. They look for the adult to be their caretaker and their voice to advocate for them. So I hopefully as well learn at this class how to recognize child abuse, how to recognize domestic violence in the home. Um, in regards to child abuse, of course, um, I feel that is wrong and it should definitely be addressed immediately. And as well as trying to reunite, even after child abuse, trying to reunite families who have been traumatized by the abuse. So I wish everyone the best of luck and bye.